It's me again. So I realized that we didn't explain any of the materials or how it correlates to the circuit. So I thought I would explain that as well. Um, so this right here is the power source that we use. You can see right there, there's the DC power supply. We had originally set it at 10.5 volts and 3.8 amps. I don't think it's set at that right now. It's not. But when we recorded it, that's what it was. We wrote it down here too. And this right here, the current limiter, we had set this power resistor as a convenient way to do it because we were kind of messing around with experimental values. This right here, the magnetic reed switch that's normally closed, is this thing. It seems to detect a magnet on this side or this side, and it seems like it just switches on back and forth between those. From what it sounds like, I'm not sure what the inside is like. Over here, these are the 3 coils, which you can see are these 3 right here with the pink tape around them. And right here, this is the gate for the transistor right here. And this metal thing is to absorb the heat. I'm not sure what they're called, heat sink maybe, but it gets really hot, and we didn't want the transistor to have all that heat on it. Actually, the coils get really hot too. You see the tape is kind of melting on them. We had a pull down resistor because after a long time of figuring out what was wrong, we realized we needed a way for the current to go when it was off. So we attached another power resistor block to it, or decade resistance. And I think that was everything. This is the fidget spinner that we had set up. We can take it off, on and off. It just has ball bearings on it, like how a fidget spinner would work. And we set up this very jury-rigged dowel kind of thing, or post. And we stuck the magnets on the outsides right here. It'll focus. But yeah, we stuck it with some quick setting putty. We also super glued it. Whole bunch of jury rigging done here. Yeah, we made those. And yeah, we also made these really jury rigged plastic posts for the coils and stuff. Yeah, but this was pretty much everything. And when it was on, it just sets. Oh, what'd I do? Oh.